There's one right there under that dock. And then there's another one right there. And then, a little while ago, there was one over there when I was fishing. You know what that means? Uh-oh. Oh, shit. This snake came up on me, guys. Woo. Hey, what is up, everyone? Eddie here with another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today, guys, I'm out here at Lake of the Pines, as you can see. Just got here, took the straps off the boat, all of that. I'm about to put the boat in the water. But before we get started, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Today I'm gonna go out here and fish for a little while. I got about 3 or 4 hours to fish. It's a beautiful, it looks like we're gonna have a overcast, as you guys can see. It's really cloudy. It's supposed to be like that most of the day. I'm gonna go out here. I'm gonna start off with a little topwater, probably throw a frog around for a little while, and then I'm just gonna throw different baits around. Hopefully we can get into some fish. But yeah, enough of me talking, and let's get to fishing. I will see you guys when I get out there. Alright, guys, so I just got to my first spot. I'm gonna start on this nice little edge right here. Got a little bit of grass. I'm gonna throw around a little frog. See if I can get one on the topwater. See if I can get my first topwater of this year. I still haven't caught one on the topwater this year, so hopefully it'll happen today. First cast. Caught him on this spot in the past on topwater. Oh, missed. God, I wasn't paying attention. Scared the crap out of me. Got him, guys. All right. First topwater of the year. He's all tangled up too. Not a giant, but God, it feels good to get a topwater. And the old frog, finally. Woo! Here we go, guys. Number oh no on the topwater frog. Yes. Woo! That'll get your blood going. See you later, buddy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the filling. God, that felt good. Toss around the Texas rig here, guys. I feel like the Texas rig might do the trick. There's one, guys. Number dose, little dinker. little guy. Alright, guys, I just got done fishing this little pocket behind me. I ended up catching 2. Caught one on a Texas rig and caught one on a frog. I finally caught my first frog fish of the year. I got a few other spots that I want to check out. So yeah, let's get to it. Guys, this looks freaking prime for giant bluegill. And you know what? I actually have my bluegill rods in here from last time I came fishing. I'm actually gonna try it real quick for a bluegill, just to see if I can catch one. There's one, guys. Look at that pretty little thing. Got them, guys. Now these right here make perfect catfish bait. Get in there, brother. Got him. Oh yeah, that's a good bluegill right there, guys. Look at that. That's a good size bluegill. Almost hand size. There's one, guys. There's one. Oh, that's a good one, guys. Good one. Look at that. Beautiful. Just, gosh. The colors on them are just amazing. Holy snap. There's a snake right there, guys. Oh, golly. I hate snakes. Oh, crap. I lost sight of them. You guys know I don't do snakes. There's that snake right there. It's like he's freaking following me or something. Yep, that's the one. It's going right under that dock. Holy smokes. There's another one right there. There's freaking snakes everywhere. So there's one right there under that dock. And then there's another one right there going through the grass. And then a little while ago, there was one over there when I was fishing. You know what that means? Uh-oh. Oh shit, the snake came up on me, guys. It's time to get out of here. Uh-oh. Oh. Whew. Do it, guys. Do it. That was a better fish. That was a better fish there. Definitely a better fish. No, that may have been the one I was looking for there, guys. God dang it. That may have been the one I was looking for. There's one. Not a little one. Go and jump back in there so I ain't got to touch you. There you go. Better one anyways. Best one of the day so far. Oh yes. All right, finally. There's one, guys. Well guys, I just took the boat out the water. I was having a little bit of boat trouble, motor trouble. My motor wouldn't go in neutral, so it'll just go forward and backwards, and when I put it in gear it yanks real hard and it takes off. So I was able to make it back to the boat ramp. Then when I got to the boat ramp, I was putting my trailer in the water and I noticed that one of my boards on the trailer was coming off, this board right here. So now I'm gonna have to replace that. Oh man, when it rains it pours, guys. But overall it was a good day. I enjoyed it out here. I ended up figuring them out. Once I figured them out, I was gonna go to another spot where I knew they would be, and that's when I figured out my motor was acting up, so I went ahead and called it a day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And most importantly, guys, don't forget to keep it real. It's your boy Eddie. I'm out. Peace.